Now, the other award, it bears the name of Shechtman. This is our honorary president. He discovered quasi-crystals in 1983, and he got the Nobel Prize 30 years later after being named quasi-scientist. So, this is for leadership. Leadership touches every field here. We'll see who will get the award. The award goes to Fernand Marquis. He passed from academia, and from an academic guy, he created two companies in material science and engineering. So he had a smooth transition from a professor to an entrepreneur. Created two companies in the United States, and this is for leadership, please. He used to be professor at University of California in San Diego, not anymore. Now he is CEO of two companies he created. Congratulations, congratulations.
I'm pleased and I'm humbled with this award. Professor Shechtman has inspired us all with his leadership in innovation and entrepreneurship. Thus, I am very honored to have this award. I also want to thank all those that work with me, my co-workers. I also want to thank all my graduate students for achieving jointly goals. And I also want to thank you all for sharing this precious evening with all of us. So thank you very much.
You're emotional. It's good to see a scientist with emotion. Normally scientists don't show the emotions.